Welcome back to another channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's start the video. Today I will show you how you can add Telegram group members group to group, right? So let's start the video. So here is my software interface. You can see just you need Python to be installed in the PC, right? Windows PC, and you need Notepad to be installed, right? After that, you need to open the software after purchase. Open command prompt like this, and just you need to drag and drop this software like this, right? When you drag and drop the software like this, you will see the interface login, non-hidden members, group scrapper, hidden member scrapper, added possible, delete, users login, right? So you need to first log in the numbers using first, right? So I have already logged in the numbers. You can see I have logged in many numbers over here. So I will show you how you can scrap the members. So I will scrap the members for the hidden member scrapper, right? I will simply input the third serial number and hit the enter, right? So now it's scrapping the group. It will show all the groups, whatever I have joined on the particular number. You can see. So you can see this Ludo group. It has all hidden members, right? You can see only admins are showing over here, and all the members are hidden. So I will scrap all the members of this particular group. Number one, put the serial number one, and hit the enter, right? Now you will see it started scrapping the group members, hidden group members, right? So it's scrapping. You can see whatever the members that are available on the particular group, it will scrap all the members, right? So just you need to wait. You can also see I'm not the member of this particular group. Someone says like if you are admin then you can scrap, like, so I'm not the admin on this group. You can see like nothing, I'm not. Okay, just I have joined the group and now I'm scrapping. So let's wait. It's scrapping, you can see. So let's check how many total till now it has been scrapped. So you can see now it has been scrapped up approximately 250 members. It has been scrapped, and now it's scrapping other also. So it's waiting for 23 seconds before it continuing. So it started again. So let's check. Okay, load it. Now it's scrapped to 315 members. Again it's waiting. So like this it will go on scrapping all the members whatever available on the particular group. So let's wait for some minutes so it can scrap all the members of the particular group. So you can see live working of the software. So if you want to purchase this software, you can contact me on Telegram. I will provide all the description details to contact me on the description, video description. And don't forget to like the video and share the video and comment on the video. So again, it's waiting for 24 seconds, 22 seconds. It go on doing this thing, right? Till the time it do not, till the time it not complete scrapping all the members of the particular group. You can scrap any group, hidden members or non-hidden members. Okay, or private groups and public groups, all the groups you can scrap and you can add to the particular your group site. So like this. So let's check how many members it till now it has been scrapped. So yes, so it is scrapped near about I think 6 to 37 members it has been scrapped. Wait for some more minutes so it can scrap all the members that are available on the particular group. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, then you will don't know how it works, right? And you will ask after the purchase of the software to me, right? So please watch the video complete. So you should know how to use the software, right? How it works, right? So let's check how many till now it's scrapped. Again, we need to reload it. Now you can see 850 members has been scrapped. Wait for more some minutes so it can scrap all the members whatever available on the particular group. So we'll check again how many it scrapped again more. So 998 has been scrapped. We'll wait more. So first let's check how many members are available. 3341 members are available on the particular group. So we need to wait so it can scrap all the members whatever available on the particular group, because you can see many user does not have the username and user ID. So that's why I'm scrapping all the members whatever available, so our software can easily add or whatever members that have username or user ID, it will add all the members, right? So it's working. We need to wait till the time it should scrap all the members on the particular group. So you can see also where many users does not have a user ID and the username. That's why I'm scrapping all the complete members of the particular group, 3,300 something members. So I can easily add all the members, right? So, so let's check how many it got scrapped till now. These are hidden members, so it's taking time to scrap, right? If it is non-hidden members, then it can scrap in minutes, right? So now till now it has scrapped 1581 members. So let's stop the scrapper and proceed for the another one for the idle, because it will take a lot of time if the video will become too lengthy, guys, right? So let's check how many till now it's scrapped. Then we will stop if it requires. It's scrapped near about 2,201 members. Let's wait more minutes so it can scrap more 1,000 members. Many users and does not have the usernames and the user IDs, so it will be hard to add those members that does not have username and user ID. So the members that have username or user ID, it can be added, right? But the members that does not have the username or user ID, you can't add those members because they do not have any unique ID or anything to add on the group, right? So let's close this header, and now we will put add the members, right? We will use the option 4 serial number and hit the enter. So all the members that are joined, in which group we need to add the members, so we will add in the third group, track by board. We will use the option 3 and hit enter. Okay, so it started adding the members, you can see. So this is the group, the member has been started adding on this group, you can see live. So you can see live, the members are getting added. So let's check how many. So like this, it